Okay, ito ay news. ABS-CBN. Okay, sabi dito, the overwhelming votes that former President Rodrigo Duterte garnered in the 2025 midterm elections shows the public's total rejection of the government's move to attempt to stamp out his legacy. So, ano ba yung legacy na tinutukoy ni Atty. Kaufman? Yung war on drugs? Yung reason kung bakit ngayon ay nasa The Hague itong si dating Pangulong Duterte? Ito pa sabi niya, the solitary ballot paper of Rodrigo Duterte is of less significance than the overwhelming support expressed for him today at the polls. Diba? The electorate showed its clear desire for the former president's return to the Philippines and its total rejection of the Marcos government's vain attempt to stamp out his legacy.